Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add widgets to home screen in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and now you want to add widgets to your home screen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep a long press on an empty place on your home screen and select widgets from here. And here you must have to select the widget which you want to add to your home screen. As let's say I'm going to add a weather widget, just tap on it, then select the widget type as I'm going to select this one. Just keep a long press on it or move it to your home screen. The second way, just keep a long press on empty place, select widgets and you can easily choose from here, but I'm going to select from here. Just press and hold on it and you can easily move it to your home screen. So that's how you can easily add widgets to your home screen in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.